Hello, if you need to change your watch's battery, here are the tools you need. The locking visor, mini screwdrivers, tweezer, release tool for cotter pins, very importantly, adjustable clamp for the back cover, and etc. Release the cotter pin to unlatch the watch strap. Lock the watch body to the visor and unscrew the battery strap. Then remove the old battery. By the way, before removing anything, you need to have a new battery ready. Carefully replace the new battery. And lock the battery strap in place. When you remove the battery strap earlier, be careful not to unscrew the tiny screw too much. If you lose the screw, you'll be totally screwed. You don't need to tighten the screw too much, or it'll be too difficult for you the next time you change it again. Now replace the back cover. Gently screw it in. Check whether the watch works. If it works correctly, replace it back on the visor. Carefully tighten the cover with the clamp. Very carefully. You don't want to nick it. Oh crap. Replace the cotter pin and reconnect the watch strap. There you go. Your watch is working like new again. Now enjoy taking care of your old watches.